Hello, Peachies! Welcome back to Dear Peachie. Outfit planning is every girl's ritual before every trip. Whether we are heading into nature or exploring a city, we always think carefully about what to bring so we can pack light but still look amazing in photos. If your suitcase is always on the verge of bursting, yet you still feel like you do not have enough outfits and your vacation photos are still looking the same, don't worry. A travel capsule wardrobe is the answer, and with the right approach, you can bring fewer clothes but still slay endless looks. In today's video, we're sharing 5 super easy tips to help us pack less but still serve way more looks on vacation. Because who doesn't want to travel light and still stay stylish? The secret starts with a simple formula: basics paired with a statement piece. Your basics should include one of each wardrobe essential, like a white shirt, jeans, a cardigan, a skirt, or a simple dress. Stick to classic shades such as black, white, or gray because they go with everything. Then layer in a few statement pieces to transform your outfits. You can either go for something with a twist, maybe a bold color, an open back, a cropped cut, or a boat neckline. Personally, we think adding 1 or 2 bold, colorful pieces to your outfit is the easiest. Bright colors are your secret weapon. No matter where you are, they'll always make your photos stand out. Innerwear like camisoles, tube tops, tank tops are a great way to add that pop of color. They are small, lightweight, and easy to pack in multiples, and they can be worn on their own or layered under jackets and shirts, instantly doubling your options. Accessories are where the magic happens. When you're traveling, hats, sunglasses, jewelry, and scarves instantly elevate even the simplest look. A plain white shirt with pearl earrings and a warm-colored scarf, or a blazer with gold jewelry can completely change your vibe. Sunglasses are non-negotiable, and it is best to pack 2 types. A classic black pair that works with anything, and a colorful pair like pink, white, or pastel yellow for playful variety. Hats are worth buying locally to avoid crushing them in your suitcase. And even when you're not wearing one, holding it makes a stylish photo prop. A thin cardigan or shawl is another great piece to bring, adding layers to basics that feel too plain. If you want to step it up further, a small belt bag can highlight your waistline and give you longer-looking proportions. Color choice also matters, and your outfits should contrast with your destination. At the beach, pinks, reds, and soft yellows stand out beautifully. In cities full of black and white tones, bold, colorful outfits shine. On wide grasslands, white, denim blue, or earthy browns are ideal. For their zerts or golden fields, bright colors look amazing. But earthy tone-on-tone styles also blend beautifully into the scenery for that effortless wilderness vibes. Once you have your basics, statement pieces, and accessories, the next trick is mastering mix and match styling. This is how you stretch a small wardrobe into a week or more of completely different looks. Hairstyles that feel opposite: a structured blazer with casual jeans and white sneakers, or layer a chic tube top under the blazer for a sexy twist. A sweet Peter Pan collar top with sporty joggers, or a black tank with a feminine flowy skirt, creates an instant contrast. Mixing colors and textures works just as well. If your top half is all black, white, or gray, throw on something colorful. It can be a cardigan, a shawl, or a pair of bright red Mary Janes. Pair a structured leather jacket with a soft knitted top, or layer a silk dress under a cozy cardigan. If you study influencers or celebrities' styles, you will notice their wardrobes are not overly complicated. They simply know how to mix and match while letting accessories tie everything together. Next, do not be afraid to show a little skin. A peek of shoulder, a bit of leg, or even a crop top moment always works well in photos. And remember those outfits you impulsively bought but never had the right occasion to wear? Traveling is the perfect time to finally pull them out and capture them in stunning pictures. With all that outfit planning, please try it all on before the outfits are confirmed. We know it's kind of a pain, but trust us, outfits can look amazing laid out. But once they're on, sometimes it's just a no. Plus, our bodies naturally fluctuate. What fit perfectly 3 months ago might feel different now. By doing a mini try-on before we pack, we can see what actually flatters and works together. So only the best pieces make it into the suitcase. Also, count the outfits. Once we've tried everything on, we count and match outfits to the number of days and activities planned. Usually, we end up with more than we need, which makes it easy to pare down and pack lighter. Always bring 1 or 2 extra outfits, just in case, but make sure they're made up of items we're already taking. In the end, planning your travel outfit is not just about the photos. It sets the mood for your trip and makes you feel confident and beautiful throughout the journey. The secret is not packing more, but packing smarter. With the right basics, bold statement pieces, and clever styling, you can create endless looks without overstuffing your suitcase. So here's to stylish outfits, gorgeous photos, and unforgettable travels. Do you have any packing tips that you swear by? Let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.